To work a decrease, we will continue in pattern into the next 3 stitches. So starting with 1 Tunisian knit stitch, then a reverse stitch, and 1 more knit stitch. This will be worked on the return pass, so we need to grab a locking stitch marker, insert it through those 3 stitches, continue working in pattern, when you're ready to work the return pass, slide to the other end of your hook and turn, and then you repeatedly yarn over and pull through 2 up until your stitch marker, but you will need to flip it to the side of your work you are facing. So work up until that stitch marker, and instead of yarning over and pulling through 2 loops, you will yarn over and pull through all the loops the stitch marker is holding. And then continue with the rest of your return pass. And I like to remove the stitch marker after I've worked through it, and now I'm going to slide to the other end of my hook to continue with my forward pass. And I will work around to the beginning. So we are at the decrease now, and we need to work into the middle of that decrease by working a Tunisian knit stitch. And that is how you work into the decrease for the following row. I will work a few stitches and then give you a better look at that. And that is what your decrease will look like.